Many of us are used to storing decades of family memories in the cloud. Cloud gallery services like Google Photos are fast and convenient. They have truly changed how we preserve life's moments. However, relying on a single cloud copy means your data is tied to platform policies, account security, and internet access. For irreplaceable family memories, a true 3-2-1 backup strategy always requires a local copy that you fully control. That's why today, we're going to show you how to use Fygo Photos to build a seamless local backup for your Google Photos library. Before we jump into the migration, let's quickly look at what Fygo Photos can do. Fygo Photos works on the web, and it also has apps for iOS and Android. You can manage your library on a computer or browse it remotely on your phone, just like a regular gallery app. In the Fygo app, you can turn on album backup, so both your existing photos and any new photos you take later can be automatically uploaded to your local NAS. You do not need to piece together a bunch of separate services. It is designed to feel as simple as managing local files. When you open your library, everything is shown in a timeline view, which should feel familiar if you have used Google Photos before. You can quickly jump back to different moments without having to remember which folder a photo was stored in. Fygo Photos can also show the local storage path for each file. That matters because this is not a black box cloud gallery. Your original files are still stored on your own device, and you know where they are and how they are organized. You also get the basics: favorites, recently added, albums, and shared albums. You can create albums manually or organize your library by people, local folders, and tags. If you have a child, you can even create a dedicated album to track their growth over time. Fygo Photos can also use local AI to recognize people and automatically create albums for each person. Open a person's album and you can see every image where that person appears. The key point is that this recognition runs on your own hardware. Your family library does not need to be uploaded to the cloud just to become searchable. If your images include location metadata, Fygo Photos can organize them by place. For example, pictures taken in London, Amsterdam, New York, San Francisco, or Paris can be grouped and viewed by location. It can also classify your library by scenes and objects, such as beaches, oceans, pets, concerts, sunsets, food, and more. For more structured searches, Fygo Photos also gives you advanced filters. You can narrow results by media type, date, person, place, album, folder, or even camera metadata like focal length, exposure time, aperture, and ISO. If you want to find things even faster, you can try AI search. For example, you can type something like kids playing, a couple and their pet, and Fygo Photos can search your local library based on what is actually inside the image. So instead of searching by file name, you are searching by visual content. Media types are organized separately as well. Photos, videos, RAW files, 360-degree photos and videos, screenshots, GIFs, live photos, and motion photos can all be filtered by type. If you shoot with a phone, a mirrorless camera, an action camera, or a 360 camera, this makes your library much easier to manage. Another practical feature is duplicate and similar photo detection. If you often shoot in burst mode, or if you have backed up the same library from different devices over the years, duplicates can build up quickly. Fygo Photos can help you find them, so cleanup becomes much easier. Deleted items go to the trash first, so they are not gone forever right away. If you delete something by mistake, you still have a chance to recover it. So overall, Fygo Photos is not just another place to view pictures. It brings timeline browsing, people, places, search, media type filtering, duplicate cleanup, and local AI organization onto your own device. Now, let's look at how to migrate your Google Photos data. First, open takeout.google.com and sign into your Google account. Google may select a lot of services by default. Here, I recommend clicking Deselect All first, and then selecting only Google Photos. If you want to migrate everything, choose All Albums. If you are just testing, you can export only a few albums first, then click Next Step. For the delivery method, choose Send Download Link via email. Set the export frequency to Export Once, choose Zip as the file type, and set the archive size based on your library size and network conditions. If your library is large, Google will automatically split it into multiple zip files. Then click Create Export. Now you need to wait for a while. A small library may finish quickly. A large one, especially with years of videos, can take several hours or even longer. Once the export is ready, download all the zip files and extract them completely. One important note: a Google Takeout export usually includes more than just photos and videos. It may also include JSON metadata files. These files can contain descriptions, album relationships, capture time, location data, and other context. So do not delete the JSON files too early. Keep the original export structure intact before importing. Next, open Fygo Photos and choose Import Google Photos. Select the Google Takeout folder you just extracted and start the import. Fygo Photos will scan the exported photos, videos, and related metadata, then organize them into your local photo library. After the import is complete, information like albums, favorites, descriptions, capture time, and location data can be preserved when available. If you have a large library, the first import and AI indexing may take some time. That is expected. The system is scanning your media, reading metadata, and building a local index for search and organization. Once that index is built, features like people albums, places, smart categories, media type filters, and AI search become much more useful. At this point, Google Photos can still remain your cloud backup, but now you also have a local copy that you control. If you want to create a local backup for your own Google Photos library, you can download FygoOS from the official website and try it out. FygoOS is a full NAS operating system, not just a Photos app. It also supports file backup and management, media playback, Docker, virtual machines, and more. So if you have a mini PC, an old computer, or you are building a home server, FygoOS is definitely worth checking out. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing. In the next video, I will share more fun and practical NAS projects.